with your hand in mine in my bedroom once again. You said it was just one more night, then it's over, it's the end. Trained ourselves to sleep, hoping it might bring some sense. Feels like we're still on the fence. Thought that we were over after everything we said. We keep coming back for more. Why are you still here when we said goodbye? Why are you still here when I turned off the lights? Your bags are packed, but you just can't leave. Do you think we're meant to be? Are we meant to be? Of staring at our photographs, 'cause they remind me what we were. But I can't seem to shake the feeling that we're growing, and it hurts. Trained ourselves to sleep, hoping it might bring some sense. Feels like we're still on the fence. Thought that we were over after everything we said. We keep coming back for more. Why are you still here when we said goodbye? Why are you still here when I turned off the lights? Your bags are black, but you just can't leave. Do you think we're meant to be? Are we meant to be? Your hand in mine in my bedroom once again. You said it was just one more night, then it's over, it's the end. Trained ourselves to sleep, hoping it might bring some sense. Feels like we're still on the fence. Thought that we were over after everything we said. We keep coming back for more. Why are you still here when we said goodbye? Why are you still here when I turned off the lights? Your bags are packed, but you just can't leave. Do you think we're meant to be? Are we meant to be? Of staring at our photographs, 'cause they remind me what we were. But I can't seem to shake the feeling that we're growing, and it hurts. Trained ourselves to sleep, hoping it might bring some sense. Feels like we're still on the fence. Thought that we were over after everything we said. We keep coming back for more. Why are you still here when we said goodbye? Why are you still here when I turned off the lights? Your bags are black, but you just can't leave. Do you think we're meant to be? Are we meant to be? Are we meant to be?
give a fuck. Y'all can suck my dick. I'm making pesetas while they're talking shit. Nah, I don't give a fuck.